Example 2. After looking at this graph, we are going to determine the equation of this line in slope-intercept form. What do you have to find? Yes, you have to find the slope and you have to find the y-intercept. The y-intercept is super easy and friendly. We can go ahead and find that first. So B, your y-intercept, is a great place to begin. As the case would be here, our y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis, is right there. That's B. It's at -4. Let's go look at M. So now that we know where to begin, let's find out how we move. First off, is this a positive slope or is this a negative slope? And if you go back to the introduction with our silly story, there's a man who starts here standing on the left, but he died and he followed his path and he saw the light, he followed the path, and this man is very quickly going down, 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 down to hell. This is a negative slope. So now that we know that this is a negative slope, we remember we have to find a rise and a run. And we do that using our 2 clean coordinate points. We found our y-intercept here at -4, and we've got a whole myriad of clean coordinate points to choose from. We could use any one of these, lots and lots to choose from. So for simplicity's sake, since our line crosses the x and the y axis nice and clean, let's use those 2 points. Here is our rise. Here is our run. Our rise is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. And since it is a negative slope, we will say -4. Our run is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. We don't place a negative again. It's done, it's over, it's accounted for, it's acknowledged. Just one negative will suffice. And then simplify and reduce, because it is possible and you should do it. -4 divided by 4 is -1. Now that we have found out what our slope is, let's go write our equation and call this a day. Y equals -1. That is my slope, that is my M. -1x, as x comes after your slope, plus B. And we stated in the previous example that if your y-intercept is a negative number, you just use the negative that's on it. You don't have a plus and a minus side by side. You just use the negative that's on it if your y-intercept is negative. Truthfully, you don't have to show the 1 in front of the x. You could just say -x minus 4, and that would also be very correct and very acceptable. The 1 can be understood. And there you go.